We get emailed all the time when it comes to aftermarket wheels of, hey, I have such and such car and I want something that's deep dish or something with a lip on it. And there aren't many options out there, I would say, when it comes to single piece cast stuff that's gonna fall within a pretty good budget. But there are some wheels out there that do manage to check all those boxes, and some of them come from none other than ESR. Now, ESR has been out in the game for quite some time, doing some pretty nifty things when it comes to their aftermarket wheels. They started to introduce some flow form stuff, even some forged stuff and multi-piece forged as well. But one of their lines that we've really come to like here, and a lot of you guys and gals have started to like, is their CS line. And right here, we have the CS15 from ESR. Now this is an 18 by 9.5 plus 22. And as you can see, this is a simulated multi-piece wheel. So this isn't actually a real multi-piece wheel. This is monoblock cast, but you do get the multi-piece look to it. Now, love it or hate it, whatever it might be, a lot of people do like this look because multi-piece wheels obviously do tend to look pretty good. You get things like the big lip on there, but they come at a much higher cost. So if you're wanting that look, you really like it, but you don't want to spend $4 grand on a set of wheels, you'd rather spend about $1,200 or $1,100 on a set of wheels, something like this is typically what you would find yourself going with. Now, CS15, as you can see, split 5-spoke design on here. Like I said, simulated multi-piece style. This itself is a very, very popular design, I would say, in itself, kind of resembling that Blitz 03 style, I would say. Now, with the multi-piece look on here, we do have like the hardware, I guess you could call it. Now, this is the gloss white finish with the chrome or polished lip, I guess you could say, on it, and then you do have this chrome hardware. Now, you can go ahead and change this out. These are removable and you can get upgraded finishes for these if you want to change the color combo up a little bit. I think it's like an extra $170 or so per set, which is pretty expensive all in all when you're looking at swapping out some hardware that is honestly just for looks on some stuff, but it does open up the customization quite a bit when it comes to your wheels, which I think is pretty cool. So if you're about that, absolutely go for it. They have a bunch of different finish colors that you can choose from, reds, blues, greens, golds, everything like that, so you can kind of customize them a little bit, which I think is pretty unique because you don't usually get that option with single piece cast stuff that often. Now, when I talk about that deep dish kind of look or something with a lip on it, I think they did a pretty decent job bringing that to a single piece wheel. Of course, you're not going to get anything too crazy, especially depending on what size you go with. Like I said, this is an 18 by 9.5 plus 22. And essentially what you're getting is a very flat face to the wheel, but you are getting a decent amount of lip on there. You're trading any sort of like concavity that you would normally have with that size wheel with an overall lip size that you're getting on here. So this is kind of giving that like reverse or flat style lip that a lot of people really like, especially when it comes to things like Nissan Zs and things like that. You get a 10.5 22 in the rear, looks really freaking good. You get a little bit more lip out of it. That style just tends to work really well with those types of cars, which is why we see these end up on a lot of those types of cars. That being said, things like the Nissan Zs, FRSs, Infiniti Q series, BMWs, so be it. We see these end up on there quite often. Size-wise, you're looking at 18 and 19-inch diameter options, so nothing too crazy out there getting up into like 20s or anything like that. 18 and 19 is where you're gonna see that fall, and then width-wise, you're looking at 8.5 to 10.5, and offsets ranging from plus 35 to plus 22. So overall, your standard window, I would say, of sizes, but those are really common sizes when it comes to vehicles out there nowadays. So like those vehicles that I mentioned, they're gonna fit that really well, especially when it comes to bolt patterns. I'd say ESR absolutely kills it with their bolt patterns. One of the reasons is because they do offer custom drilling for a lot of their wheels, the CS15 being one of them. Now, standard bolt patterns, you're gonna be seeing 5x100, 5x114.3, 5x120, and 5x112. And then depending on the size, some of those bolt patterns aren't standard, but you can get 5x105, 5x108, 5x110, 5x112, and even 5x115, depending on the size size and everything that you're going with for those custom drilled options, which really opens this wheel up to pretty much anything that you can fit an 18 or 19 up to a 10.5 wide on, which I think is pretty cool. Now again, if you're adding that custom drilled option, you are going to be adding a little bit of lead time to the wheels. Same with adding any sort of custom option on there as well. Now finish wise, this is the gloss white, which I actually think looks really good. It's hard to find a good gloss white wheel out there. A lot of people have been switching to like the silver or bronzes or grays. Like gunmetal is like the most common finish out there now, it seems like. So it's nice to see a gloss white, but you can get the hyper silver finish as well as a gloss black finish as well. Now, like I said, this is a single piece cast wheel. Thank you, sire, for the scale. So we're gonna go ahead and just get a weight on this just to see what it is coming in at. Let's go ahead and get the old tear on this. Make sure we're zeroed out. So 18 by 9.5 CS15 plus 22. Coming in 26 pounds on the dot. So we've reviewed a lot of Flowform wheels on here in the past. So definitely coming in a little bit heavier than your typical Flowform wheel in this size, which is as expected for a low pressure cast wheel. So just keep that in mind if you are looking for something more performance oriented or for something to save a little bit of weight, that these are not Flowform. Now they do have Flowform line of wheels out there, and they're introducing more and more to that as the years go on. Their RF series is pretty decent. If you want something along that line, you can go check that out as well. But all in all, bringing these wheels in anywhere between $1,100 and $1,500 per set, getting up there quite a bit, I would say, when it comes to the 19-inch options, and putting them in a pretty competitive category with a lot of other wheel brands out there, pushing them up into that like Enkei Koenig category, I would say. So depending on exactly what you're looking for your aftermarket set of wheels, these might work great, or they might not be the best option for you. Like I said, it all comes down to what you're looking at. But if you are looking for something just to get the job done, to look pretty dang good, if you like the simulated multi-piece style, you want to customize it a little bit with some different colors, these are a good option for you. If you want to check these out or any of the other wheels from the CS lineup from ESR, we got them added up on the site right now over at martiniworks.com. You can go ahead and do so. And of course, if you ever need any help figuring out which wheels are going to work best for your car, whether that be fitment or just overall style, we'd be more than happy to help with that as well. Shoot us a message over there. We're going to go ahead and get these boxed back up. This has been the ESR CS15. If you want to go check them out on martiniworks.com, do so. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you later.